Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Write one informative README that explains purpose, features, and install steps. Start with a short project elevator pitch in 2 sentences for quick context. Add a 1440x400 header image for visual impact at the top of the file. Include badges for build, coverage, and license near the title line so status appears immediately. Provide a clear install section with commands and one example usage snippet. Finish with a concise contribution section and contact links for immediate collaboration. Enforce formatting with a linter and one automatic formatter like Prettier. Commit a single configuration file so contributors share the same rules from day one. Provide a docs folder with a landing page and one architecture diagram for onboarding. Include an examples directory with 2 working snippets and expected outputs. Use well-named issues and labels like bug, feature, help wanted for clarity when triaging. Keep commit messages short and an imperative tense for consistent history. Set a pinned repository list with the 3 most important projects on your profile. Add a professional profile bio with role, contact method, and one notable achievement. Create an organized project board with columns for backlog, in progress, and done to show workflow. Use templates for pull requests and issues so contributions are complete and consistent. Use GitHub pages or README sections to show a live demo or screenshots for instant evaluation. Regularly update the homepage to reflect current priorities and releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.